In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always appear active on Slack with our full guide for 2024. Slack, as you may know, is a powerful tool for communication among teams, and staying active can be crucial when you're collaborating remotely or working on a dynamic project. Understanding how Slack tracks your status can help you maintain an active appearance, which can be beneficial in certain work environments. First, let's understand how Slack determines your status. Slack considers you as active when you're actively interacting with the platform, such as being online, using Slack, interacting with messages, channels, or any integrated apps. However, if you're idle or inactive for a period, Slack will automatically mark you as away. It's important to note that Slack doesn't officially support bypassing the inactivity detection, but there are some safe workarounds you can implement. One of the native features Slack offers is setting a custom status. To do this, click on your profile picture, then select the option to set status. From here, you can choose a status message such as working or available. To ensure that this status doesn't automatically clear after a period, you can set the duration to don't clear. This keeps your custom status visible indefinitely, helping maintain the perception of activity. Additionally, you'll want to be mindful of Slack's Do Not Disturb feature. Navigate to Preferences, then to Notifications, and finally to Do Not Disturb. While this feature is useful for avoiding interruptions, enabling it might counter your goal to appear active. Therefore, if your primary aim is to maintain an active status, it's best to avoid enabling Do Not Disturb. Moving on to maintaining activity on your desktop, you'll want to engage with Slack sufficiently throughout your workday. Engage with the application by sending messages, reacting to others' messages with emojis, and opening threads. Even these small interactions can refresh your active status. It's not necessary to be continuously active, but periodic engagement can help you maintain the appearance of being available and attentive. Overall, these steps offer effective ways to remain active on Slack. Simply understanding how Slack perceives your activity, using custom status settings, being cautious with Do Not Disturb mode, and engaging with the platform on your desktop can enhance your visibility and response time to team communications. Remember, staying active is not just about appearances, it helps foster better communication and collaboration within your team. So implement these steps and you'll be well on your way to always appearing active on Slack.